Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to see your child's history. We will cover essential steps to help you understand their digital footprint. It's crucial for parents to be aware of their children's online interactions to ensure their safety and well-being. We'll discuss practical approaches and available resources to help you monitor their activities effectively, providing peace of mind for you and a safer online experience for them. This guidance aims to empower you with knowledge. Many effective parental control tools are available to help you monitor your child's digital history. These applications allow you to set screen time limits, block inappropriate content, and view detailed reports of their online activities. You can often find these features built into operating systems or as third-party apps. For example, some tools offer daily summaries of app usage and websites visited, giving you a clear picture of their digital world. When reviewing your child's history, focus on several key areas. First, check their web browsing history to see what sites they visit and what they search for. Second, look at app usage logs to understand which applications they spend the most time on. Third, if applicable, review social media activity and messaging for concerning interactions. Finally, consider location history if you have enabled it, which can provide insights into their physical whereabouts. While monitoring is important, open communication with your child is equally vital. Explain to them why you are checking their history, emphasizing their safety and well-being. Establish clear rules for device usage and online behavior, ensuring they understand the boundaries. This approach helps build trust and encourages them to come to you with any concerns. Remember, the goal is to guide them towards responsible digital habits, not just to police their actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.